Recently, the American science publication, Science named the James Webb Space Telescope as one of the top 10 innovations of the year, again after 2022, which is unprecedented. It's because the telescope has observed 1,000 times more galaxies that are candidates of the early universe than expected. The James Webb Space Telescope is a $10 billion, approximately $13 trillion, collaboration between the National Aeronautics and Space Administration NASA, the Canadian Space Agency (CSA), and the European Space Agency (ESA) since 2006. Today, let's learn about the function and role of the James Webb Space Telescope. The James Webb Space Telescope unlocks the secrets of the early universe. How did the universe begin? And will it ever end? This is humanity's fundamental question. In 1915, Einstein published his theory of general relativity, which proposed that the universe is either expanding or contracting. American astronomer Edwin Hubble was a leading proponent of this theory. In 1929, Hubble used a large ground-based telescope to observe distant galaxies, moving farther away. In this context, in 1948, American physicist George Gamow proposed the theory that the universe was initially a single point and has been expanding ever since, driven by the energy of the early cosmic vacuum after the Big Bang. Since then, scientists have started researching space telescopes and succeeded in sending the Hubble Space Telescope into orbit in 1990. On December 25, 2021, the James Webb Space Telescope was launched to replace the aging Hubble. Its lens is 6.5 meters in diameter, which is 2.7 times larger than Hubble's. The wider lens gathers more light, and the increased magnification allows it to see stars farther away at the same brightness as the magnification. Hubble's vision is 10 billion times more powerful than the naked eye, enough to see a firefly 16,000 kilometers away, and the James Webb Space Telescope is 100 times more powerful than Hubble. To achieve this capability, NASA made the lenses out of beryllium, B, the metal that has the highest reflectivity, and shielded the telescope from the sun with a sunshade, as big as a tennis court to keep it below -193 degrees Celsius, to keep its infrared sensors. It observes the interiors of stars, functioning well. They also placed the telescope in space, at a point called a Lagrange point, which is 1.5 million kilometers from Earth, so that it wouldn't wobble by the gravitational force of planets. Made famous by the lunar rovers, a Lagrange point is a stable location where the gravitational forces of the Earth and the Sun cancel each other out, making the spot favorable for space telescope observation. As a result, the James Webb Space Telescope is anticipated to observe light from the early universe, which is estimated to be 13.7 billion years old, the universe's age since the Big Bang.